Number 11. Make a change, changes. It means to alter or modify something.
He decided to make a change in his career. He decided to make a change in his career. They made some changes to the original plan. They made some changes to the original plan. Making a change can sometimes be refreshing. Making a change can sometimes be refreshing.
Number 12. Make a deal. It means to agree on terms or come to an agreement.
The two companies made a deal last week. The two companies made a deal last week. She made a deal with her brother about chores. She made a deal with her brother about chores. They tried to make a deal to avoid court. They tried to make a deal to avoid court.
Number 13. Make a complaint. It means to express dissatisfaction or a grievance.
He made a complaint about the noise to the landlord. He made a complaint about the noise to the landlord. Customers often make complaints about poor service. Customers often make complaints about poor service. She made a complaint to the company about the product. She made a complaint to the company about the product.
Number 14. Make a claim. It means to request something, often money, believed to be owed.
After the accident, he made a claim on his insurance. After the accident, he made a claim on his insurance. You need to make a claim for the damaged goods. You need to make a claim for the damaged goods. She made a claim for compensation after the injury. She made a claim for compensation after the injury.
Number 15. Make a breakthrough. It means to achieve a significant discovery or progress.
Scientists made a breakthrough in cancer research. Scientists made a breakthrough in cancer research. The team made a breakthrough in solving the issue. The team made a breakthrough in solving the issue. Her work made a breakthrough in renewable energy technology. Her work made a breakthrough in renewable energy technology.